this idea of keeping the kids from eating the food. Like, no, that's mine, or that's only for the little kids, or this is this, that is that, that kind of stuff. It's one thing to ask them, hey, that's my burrito in the fridge. Would you please not eat my burrito? You see the feeling of that? It's not like there's a scarcity consciousness. I plan on eating that burrito later. Would you please eat something else? They can't steal it from me. They can still take it. It doesn't matter to me. The thing is, any feeling sense that arises in reaction to that for me is teaching. It's for teaching and learning. That's all it's for. It's way different from you're not allowed to have that. You're not allowed to have these things. And if you take it, you're stealing from us. I was like, what is this energy? What is the energy of this? Just watch it. What is the energy if you stole from me, especially if you're my kid? But, it includes everyone else, really. Watch it. It's trying to make guilty. Nothing really happened. It's just a habit pattern of making guilty. It's a habit pattern. It seems like you need to play that out in order to protect yourself against your nail clippers getting taken. When they were super easy to find anyways, and it was all for communication. No one has to feel guilty for it. No one has to go, oh, damn, I forgot to put those back or something.